welcome to my vlog. I'm having a little late start today. Got home about 12:30 at night last night from Michigan. I'm here, let's get this day started. By the way, if you are new to this channel, make sure to click the subscribe button. If you are a subscriber, make sure to give me that thumbs up and comment below. In today's vlog, we're gonna be changing my clutch slave cylinder, and I'm hoping that will fix my clutch issue. I've been having these issues since I got the car, basically. I think the third day that I had the car, my pedals start falling through. The pedal will only come out halfway or just fall straight to the floor, and you have to pump it, pick it up with your foot and pump it in and out. However, guys, thank you for following me, thank you for watching. Enjoy today's vlog. Let's get this day started. Okay, these are the parts that I ordered. Open them up, got them all from Nissan. This is a, should be the plastic piece that I ordered for the bumper. Where is it, the blade? Should be it. I'll try to fit it in a second. This is a, oh man, I think the wrong one. I think this is wrong. I told them I needed one for the coolant reservoir. This is a windshield washer. And finally, what I've been waiting for is this bad boy right here. Is this right? I hope it is. Check it out. So this is what I'm changing today. This is a clutch slave cylinder. That worked. Awesome. That's good. So I can put this in the trunk now. Oh man, let's see what this is gonna work. Highly doubt it. Actually, it's right. I think this goes underneath the pen. Look at that. That is right. All right, let's get our process started with the transmission. I have to probably take the shift knob apart right here. So I'm gonna figure out how to take that apart, because when we take the transmission out, it has to come down, and then we'll go from there. So this comes off pretty easy. Get this thing off. I turned it like 4 times already, and it's not getting any easier. It's hard, and plus now I need a new shift knob. This it's busted. Look at this. Completely tore it up. Just can't get it off. Okay, I got it off, but ended up breaking the whole knob. It was horrible. It's the most weirdest thing that I had to do. Look at this. I literally broke it. So I need a new shifting knob now. I used all kinds of different methods. I got blisters on my hands now. It was ridiculously hard. I don't know why. It was just horrible to get this thing off. Completely horrible, but we got it off. I don't think I had to take these screws off, but I took them off anyway, those bolts. So I'm just gonna leave this as is. I'm gonna leave this booth like that, so it will drop down. This might even be like a 2-day project. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start out taking this white pipe back off. So I'm gonna start right here, go back up to here, and just remove the white pipe first. Then I'm gonna try to remove the Driveshaft next and work my way up. All right, let's do this. The 17mm, sorry. I'm gonna mark it just in case, just to see where it was. Let's remove it. So, you bend this back thing down and slowly slide it out. You don't have to bang it out. I thought I had to pry it out, but you don't. Deep socket, cuts off.
Oh, world. So this is hydraulic line.
That's the hydraulic line that goes from all the way into, no, this is where it goes inside. Comes to from here, from master cylinder. And let me show you what I'm changing right here.
That must go up and down like that, huh?
Yeah. So usually when a clutch slave cylinder...
Did you go up from here or down?
I have no idea how it works. I'm pretty sure it goes down.
That means this inner must come back through that hole, but it doesn't look big enough, does it? It seems incredible, but I might be able to learn something.
Alright. See you, Chaz. Okay, guys. I got a couple bolts up top, and I think that's the two of those bolts that I have. One bolt up in there, very top. And other one's right there, you can see it. I use this extension with this swivel at the end, a swivel, whatever you want to call it. I think it's a swivel. And I got those bolts, I got the bolts at the top with this tool. So all the bolts of the transmissions are loose except for these two right here. And I'll take the cap off right here and get those two loosened tomorrow in this bracket. And then we're going to take it down. But I'm not going to get into all that because I'm going to rush through it. And I want to record everything. So guys, I want to go ahead and stop this project right here for today and make sure that the vlog and the editing turns out good, or just work on the vlog, because I have all day tomorrow. I don't see why I need to rush it all tonight and this evening. Plus I think I'm still kind of, I have this drag from the trip, or I'll get this, what do you call it? I'm just going to end it right here right now. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, thank you for all your comments, thank you for all the thumbs up, and see you guys tomorrow. We'll continue with this project. Peace out.
Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.